Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to blur a face in CapCut, which is super useful for protecting privacy or giving your video a polished, professional look. Whether you're using the desktop or web version, the process is nearly the same. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the CapCut desktop app or head to the CapCut web app in your browser. Click New Project to create new project. Then click the import button to upload the video you want to edit. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline. To create a blur overlay, click on the video in the timeline, press Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste it. You'll now have two identical video layers. Stack it on top of each other. Select the top video layer, go to the Effects button, tap on the left panel, search for blur, then tap download button and then tap plus button to apply it to the top layer. Now we'll isolate the blur to only affect the face. Click on the blurred video layer in the timeline. On the right panel, go to the mask section, click add mask and choose circle button. Resize and reposition the mask to cover the face accurately. If needed, adjust the feathering to make the edge softer. Optional face tracking or manual keyframing. If your version of CapCut supports auto face tracking, enable it so the blur follows the face automatically. If not, use keyframes to manually move the mask from by frame as the face moves. Select the mask and enable keyframing. Adjust the position over time for smooth tracking. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.